Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Now in this video today, I'm going to be making 2 centerpieces that you can use in any event or celebration with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now, because the gluing process when you're using a permanent adhesive takes about 24 to 48 hours, I decided to go ahead and glue that glassware that I purchased from the Dollar Tree ahead of time so that we can spend more time decorating and placing the floral arrangement together. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. And like I said before, they're mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, the Dollar Tree sells pearl wrap, and they sell it in gold, silver, and the white. So we're using the gold today because what we're going to do is drape that around that bowl, and we're going to do that to both of them. Now we went around the bowl in a swirl motion, and then I decided to go ahead and dangle some in between those swirls. You'll see what I mean. Now, I would have liked to have used the white styrofoam that they have at the Dollar Tree, but they only had the green one, so we're going to go ahead and work with this. So what you want to do is glue some pieces on the inside of each of those 2 bowls, enough so that we can go ahead and stick the florals in. Now these florals I did purchase from the Dollar Tree, and I did decide to go with red and white. So it's probably a good idea for you to measure, but I went ahead and eyeballed it. You want to measure from the styrofoam where you stick the florals in all the way to the tip of the edge of the bowl, just to make sure you're not cutting the florals too short. Now, when I'm making floral arrangements, especially when there are two of them, I cut all of the florals and divide them evenly down the middle so that one floral bouquet is not thicker than the other one. So we have already started with the floral arrangements, and I usually go in a swirl motion or north, south, east, and west, and then I work my way in from there. You want to make sure the center florals are a little bit higher than the lower ones around the bowl. Now, usually in the very middle of the bowl, I'll either use greenery, but in this case, we're going to go ahead and use what the Dollar Tree is calling baby's breath. So we're going to go ahead and arrange that in the center, and I'm going to repeat the same process to the second bowl. Now, I think these bouquets came out absolutely gorgeous. What do you guys think? I think it's almost time to head on over to the reveal, guys. Let's go display them. So I think these came out absolutely gorgeous. You can interchange the flowers to any color that you would like. These can be used for any kind of event or celebration, from a birthday, anniversary to a wedding. So I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.